Firstly, I'd like to invite TTA's Vice President, Dr. Koo Kyung-chul.
Thank you very much, Joseph. I feel that this workshop is, as always, very fruitful and productive. It's a wonderful opportunity to exchange our views. I feel that always after a workshop, we have a lot of takeaway to tackle in the future. When it comes to the first the issue of the consumer IoT, I already heard, but I'm not an expert on the customer IoT expert, but the approach is quite different between the two organizations, and especially the certification problem is the some kind of the trade barriers. I think this is my personal idea. Already, Alex leaders said that the two approaches are quite different, but we need to some more discussion and resolve this these issues, because I always said that the trade barrier is some very important issue. And then another issue is that the identification is very hot topic in the world. I also I'm not an expert on these issues, but anyway, my concluding comment is that we need to continue to cooperate this kind of two issues. We also have the information security technical committee under the TTA, and the ETSI has also a cyber security, but we did not handle the consumer IoT. But Professor Yum and Jin is the expert on this. Anyway, it's a very good discussion. We have only limited time, 2 hours, very not enough. So anyway, I will keep in touch with our colleagues at beside the Indico. Beside the Indico, Indico is already said that the next May is already finished. But anyway, thank you very much for wonderful and fruitful workshop. Thank you very much, all of you. This is my concluding remark. Thank you.
Thank you. And I'd like to hand it over to Mr. Xavier Pino from ETSI.
Thank you, Joseph, and thank you, Casey, for these comments as a conclusion. I think it's it was a very interesting exchange, a lot of very rich information flowing around. As you say, 2 hours is very short to absorb and process and extract future steps from such amount of information. But because I'm French, I will relate this to food, and I'd like to see that as an appetizer of future discussions. And for sure, for me, the information shared today triggered the interest and the appetite to expand exchanges and cooperation on these topics. As we know, TTA and ETSI are technical organizations, and we have a great role to play in enable advance of technology without compromising on security or privacy. So we are definitely players who will help both technology and society go forward without hurting each other, if I may say. So I think we need to note at this stage that we have an established cooperation agreement between ETSI and TTA, which is a bilateral partnership in addition to the relationship within the global partnerships of 3GPP and 1M2M. So I would just like to remind the participants that as part of this partnership, we allow observers to be invited in our respective technical committees. And as Casey was mentioning, the technical committee in TTA on information security and our TC Cyber can make use of this mechanism in order to allow observers and get more information flowing. So I think we should really focus on using these tools that we have already in our hands in order to develop this cooperation and really help the global community to move ahead in delivering enhanced security for the Internet of Things, whether in the consumer or in the more general environment, as well as enabling privacy and, let's say, use of data in the way that best complies with our respective regulations on data protection. This is all on my side. Again, thanks a lot to the TTA colleagues, the experts from Korea, the experts from ETSI for making the exchange possible today. And I look forward to other opportunities to have those exchanges. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Xavier.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah.
I wish to close now by expressing my gratitude to all the participants here and the audiences, and also especially to Kyle Garcimo involved in this Indico project and Xavier from ETSI. Could you turn on the cameras and mics so that they can say goodbye to everybody?
Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Good day.
Leaving on.